How to clear your Epic Games launcher cache and fix any issues that you might be having with the launcher or the games. The first thing you'll need to do is close the launcher and then right click on the taskbar and open the task manager. And from here you will need to search for Epic Games process and basically close the process, or right click and choose end task. For example, you can right click on end task to close the Epic Games launcher completely. Now once you've closed everything related to Epic Games, or you can't find anything here, which means it's not running, you can close out of the task manager. Now you'll need to right click on the Windows Start button and click on Run, and then type %sign local app data %sign and press enter, and it should open up this folder right here. In this folder you need to find Epic Games launcher and double click on the folder to open it, and then you will need to double click on saved folder, and then you should see the web cache folder right here, which is webcache_4430. So right click on that folder and then choose delete. These are temporary files, so they are pretty safe to delete. And then you can simply close out of this and find Epic Games in the start menu. So you can basically search for Epic Games, right click on the Epic Games launcher and choose run as admin, click on yes, and now it should load again the Epic Games launcher with the cache cleared. Now you should check again if that solves the problem with the Epic Games launcher or the game that you're having already. And if it's not, here's a second way how to do it. Open up the run command again and then type local app data and then type %sign again. Open this folder by pressing enter. Go back to the Epic Games launcher folder, and this time you'll need to remove the saved folder while the Epic Games launcher is completely closed. So right click on it in this bar right here and make sure to click on exit to fully close it, and then delete the saved folder. Make sure the Epic Games launcher is not running anywhere, otherwise you won't be able to remove the saved folder. So you can search in the details for anything related to Epic Games, and once there is nothing running, you right click on the folder and click on delete, and this should be able to remove the saved folder. And then you should simply just relaunch the Epic Games launcher again, and that should solve the issue that you're having. Thanks for watching and subscribe.